Hello, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda and I love saying things, and I'm so glad that you're here today. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I am so close to 1,500 subscribers. If you would just please, oh please subscribe. I will be giving away funky, junky amounts of presents. Lots of things will be given away for my 1,500 subscribers, and then on August 1st will be my 2 years with YouTube, and I will have a ginormous giveaway for that as well. More things than you can shake a stick at. But today I'm a little out of breath because I was running to get something. I ran back here. Yeah, exactly. Asthma. I got the asthma and I'm on the steroids right now because of the asthma and the wheezing. So bear with me. But today I have my Ipsy Glam Plus with an add-on. I'm really excited. I know what's in there because they tell you what's in there, which I don't like. I got to choose like 3 things, but I like to be able to have more guessing and surprises. I like surprises a lot. Like, it'd be cool if you knew you could pick out the 3 things and then just not know what the other 2 things are. I don't know, it's just my opinion. But the first thing in my bag, and this is a $25 a month box unless it's their box X, which is like 65 bucks, something like that. 50, oh, it's 55 bucks. And the first thing I chose was a brush, and this is a Zoe Alia round brush, and I need one this size because I do like to brush and style my hair just a little bit, not too much. But this is a beautiful it's called Blowout Pro Brosse Ronde. Ronde, that's me. We love it. It says great for use on all hair lengths, round shape, reduces unwanted breakage, can be used to create great waves and blowouts. Flexible brushes detangle without pulling, and it is great. This is like a $25 brush or something like that. I don't make up the prices, they do. Oh, it says right here, $29.99 for the brush. That's a lot. This next thing is an add-on. I'm really excited about this add-on. And this was an $18 add-on. And then this is a Nomad palette, and I love Nomad eyeshadows. And this is the Cartagena. And this is what it looks like on the back. Let's take it out and take a look. I don't do a lot of add-ons with Ipsy because usually it's nothing that floats my boat, or if it's something really cool, it sells out really fast, but I got lucky this time. It's the Cartagena Magica. It is bright and pretty, and I can't wait to make a look. Oh, let me swipe that gold. That gold is calling my name. Ooh, that's a pretty gold. That's like an old gold color. And it's got a little weird it's got something packed onto it. And there's this guy's like a little bear face, and this is a little monkey. Weird bear. Some weird thing. Some weird pizza looking thing. I don't know. It's a beautiful palette. Can't wait to try it. I'll do a video with it very soon. I know you guys love to see me do different videos with different palettes and such. So now this is the bag itself. And it says, stay golden, stay gold, pony boy. We want you to stay gold. That's a good thing. If you've not seen The Outsiders, you should totally see The Outsiders. It's so good. This is from Tula, which is a fantastic company. I've got some things from Tula. This is Rose Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm, which is very nice. I have some baggy eyes, which just comes with age. And this is Probiotic Skincare, and this is $21. Let's take it out of the box. Let's be fun. Here's a box. Enjoy the box. You're a kid who only gets to play with the box. I mean, most of the time when we were little, we wanted to play with the box. And I'm not going to start it up yet just because, and it twists up like a bomb, like a little stick. That's very cool. But I always, to be honest, I always forget to use those kind of things. I always forget. And then from Fenty Beauty, we have the Stunno Lip Paint, and I chose this, and it is in the color Unlocked, and it is gorgeous. And I love the Stunno Lip Paints, even though they're not as long lasting as I prefer things. They are gorgeous, and they do have a good, they have a nice staying power. And this color is just phenomenal. It's like a super hot pink. I love it. Let's put a little on my hand because I'm going to keep this bad boy. Wow, look how that just goes on like butter. Very, very pretty. All right, Fenty. We love the lip paint. I thought it was going to be more red than that, but it is more hot pink, which is fine because I don't have that many hot pinks. And it leaves a little bit of a stain, which is fine. I like a little lip stain. It's just a bonus that it stains your lips just a little bit. Next up is the card, which doesn't say anything that I need to know. It tells me about bronzing 101. I don't do that much bronzing. My cheeks, my brow, under my chin. It says Rule Breaking Beauty. And the next bag is Glam Bag X with Halsey. You know, I'm kind of on the fence of not getting it because I'll have to take a look at it again to see if there's anything that really floats my boat, but I'm not that excited about it. And then we have two more things. I might just get it to get it, and I might be surprised because I love getting deluxe boxes. And this is Black Card Waterproof Eyeliner, Liquid Eyeliner from Il Makiage. Il Makiage. And I can always use a new black eyeliner. This is very nice. I'm going to keep it in its box so I know that it's new. I've got like a bunch of black eyeliners that are open right now. But I love, I've heard really good things about Il Makiage. Oh, let me tell you that Fenty was $25. This is $21. The Tula was $30. I was wrong. And then last but not least, we've got a palette. And the palette is $36. And it's the Golden Hour from Beauty For Real. Beauty For Real, yo. For real, yo. This is some beauty. We got some beauty up in here. You like beauty? It's right here. And it's real, yo. And it's a very pedestrian palette. It is very pretty. I personally will not use this. This will be going into one of my new giveaways coming up. My 2-year anniversary is on the 1st. This could be in that one, or it could be in my 1,500 subscriber giveaway. But it looks beautiful, and these shimmers look divine, and it was fun to make fun of. But I wouldn't pay $36 for it. But so what we got today was the palette, the eyeliner, the Stunno lip. I almost could get away with this eye look. And the brush and the Tula. So not too bad for $25. And it's, like I said, a total, or maybe I didn't, it's $178 total, which is great. And, you know, I'll for sure use these three things. So that's totally worth it for me because the lip paint was 25 bucks anyway. So, excellente. Good box, Ipsy. I'll see if I get you next month. I don't know. It's a mystery. Have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.